Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I want to share with you all how I make my cucumber tomato salad. So I have an egg here, my onion, green bell pepper, carrots, my cucumbers, I have three, my lime, my cherries, red bell pepper, I have half of it, yellow bell pepper, I will not be using everything, I'll only use half. So I'll rinse all, even though I have washed them, I'll rinse all and get back. So now let's do the cutting. I have other ingredients such as white vinegar, my mayonnaise, olive oil, my ketchup. So I'll be adding all this to my diced or chopped vegetables. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share my video to friends. Please don't also forget to tap on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I'm done with my cucumber. So I have my onion here. My red bell pepper. Now I'll slice all this. Then I'll slice this ones too. I'll divide each into two. So this is my egg. And this is my lime. So now I'll add everything in this bowl. So now, after adding everything together, I'll just squeeze some lemon juice. I'll add my salt. White vinegar, olive oil. I'm also adding my ketchup, mayonnaise, I'll then transfer everything into my plate and then add my egg. Now my cucumber cherry tomato salad is ready, and I'm eating it with my plain rice here. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and I wish to see you next time on this channel. Bye.